are the things I got from China. Oh, I know you're wondering what this is. This is a treadmill for my personal use. So yeah, let's do some unboxing. So before I continue, my hair installation is from Joyce Touch. Can you see that? Huh? From Joyce Touch. Oh, she patronized my hairstylist. I got a whole lot of cluster. I know you're gonna like it. They look so pretty, fluffy. And it's a soft box. It is used for light setup. Gym wear for myself because as a mom of one, I still need to look snatched. Yeah, I'm hitting the gym very soon, so I got a gym wear for myself. Woo! Can you see that? The quality is 10/10. Okay, I think this is for my husband, for my baby. I can't unbox this. I got sneakers for gym. Hand grip. You still have hand grip. You still have, but it's remaining small. Alicia, which one do you like? The red one, Abby. Lash primer. This is how it looks like. I will call it a financial mistake. Okay, Star Lash Bond available. It comes with cluster tweezer. We have different colors and categories of skin available. Here it's available. Brow tamer available. Did I put it on top of this? But I'm wondering that gym wear came with a top, so I don't know why I cannot find it. A trouser. What's this? It's off. Okay. Okay, so I will tie the top somewhere. They only give me trouser. I got a hot comb for my hair. And seal, they are all available. For my cluster girlies. Okay, at least something to make me smile. I love drawing. At least I come and take this one. So see what I got for myself. This shopping was just made for me because I was like, yo, when you see my old handbag, you know how it looks like. Now I got myself a bag. A reasonable bag. Hey, this is low budget Louis Vuitton. Just got myself. But it feels tight. Is there no other handle? Okay. Woo woo! We are about to slay! Clock it! My bag! My bag! My goal! Oh, I'm feeling my fat. Hey! The bag is actually. I got this for my son. For my baby. This is anti-choking device. I saw it, I decided to give it a try. There's no need opening it. Anti-choking device, like anti-suction device. Let's put it. Brushes available for your beginner and personal makeup. Our temporary tattoo machine, single battery available. Single battery, our tattoo machine. So we have our rice cutting pad, one of the skincare essentials for makeup. Trust me, you need this. It comes in like this. Let me open it so you'll see. It gives this moisture to the skin. Oh, these are dummies. Only dummy here. Dummies available. So yeah, this is all we got. Let me show you the treadmill we got for our set. I got this treadmill from China for myself.